I always told you guys, I always bring you guys interesting cars to check out. This is a Zimmer. It's a from Zimmer Motorcars. I call it a pimp mobile. This thing's crazy, man. It is big and it is huge. It's long. Definitely get attention driving this thing. I mean, it's really nice though. I mean, whoever had this really took care of it. Don't know what year it is. It's definitely cool. Zimmer Motorcars. I don't even know if they're still in business or not. Probably not. This is probably some big money back in the day to buy one of these cars. It's in beautiful shape, man. The chrome, everything is nice on it. Don't know if this is in somebody's collection because it doesn't look like it's been driven a lot. I mean, there's no not seeing any damage on the paint or anything. Is that, what the heck is that back there? Can't tell what that is. Looks like a remote controls or something. I don't know. This is a crazy car, man. If you guys can give me some more information on this car, it's greatly appreciated. Zimmer Motorcars. I've heard of these before, but I know it was like one of those custom coach companies that they build these things. Look at the hood on this thing. It's so massive and long, man. And I mean, it looks brand new, right? Like right in person, right here, it looks gorgeous. But anyway, there you go, guys. If you got some more information, look at the size of the headlights in this thing. Jesus Christ. If you guys can give me some more information on the Zimmer, let me know. Maybe how much this thing costs new, what the cost of it was when it was brand new. I'd love to know because it had to be expensive. Hey guys, subscribe to the channel, please. It's greatly appreciated. Comment down below, like the video, and I'll continue to bring you more old cars to check out and look at. Have a good one. Drive safe.